In this video, we will be introducing our new resource pack that can be used to support children to develop their vocabulary and word finding skills. Word finding difficulties occur when you have an understanding of the word, but you are unable to find it in the language filing system in your brain. Some young people have a limited vocabulary and benefit from being able to overlearn words and use them in different situations. This pack starts with some information and questions. This covers how to use the pack and how to contact us if you have any queries or comments. The next section introduces some activities you can use with your child. During this video, we are going to demonstrate 4 of these activities. Towards the back of the pack, there is a resources index with the picture material that you can use when carrying out activities. This activity is called category sort. You will need some small category cards from the back of the resource pack and the corresponding large category cards as well. So it's best to start this activity with just sorting into 2 categories. Once your child is able to achieve this, you can add 3, 4, 5 or 6 categories to sort the items between. This game is really helpful for increasing a child's vocabulary as well as categorisation skills, as you can name the pictures as you sort them. Okay, are you ready? We're going to play a sorting game today. So I have got 3 different categories here. What do you think they might be? What do you think this one might be? Food. And what about this one?
Transport.
And how about this one?
Clothes.
Clothes, you're absolutely right. So I have got some items in my hand that belong in these categories. So I thought we'd take turns at choosing an item and seeing if we could work out where they go. Okay, would you like to go first?
Yeah.
So what item did you find?
Trousers.
Trousers. Where do you think that goes?
Clothes.
Oh, look, you can see they look the same. You're right. So I've got, ooh, this is a tricky one. I think, is this one called a lime? And I think that's a type of food that you eat. I'm going to put it on food. Okay, your turn. What did you get?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Brilliant.
Food.
That's a food. Amazing. I have got, oh, pyjamas. Clothes. Definitely clothes.
Carrot.
And you put it in?
Food.
Food. Amazing. I've got train. That's good because we didn't have any in transport yet.
Boat.
A boat. That's quite a cool boat, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like an inflatable boat. Oh, I've got taxi. That's definitely transport. Ooh.
Gym clothes.
Yeah, you're right. I think it's a tracksuit or gym clothes.
Clothes.
Yeah, clothes. Okay. I have got potato. Definitely food.
Socks. Clothes.
Clothes. I've got, oh, Jeep. Yeah, I'm going to put my Jeep in the transport section.
Helicopter.
And helicopter goes in.
Transport.
Brilliant. I've got a tie, so I think that must be clothes.
Grapes go in food.
And grapes go in food. That's brilliant. Well done. So this is the subcategory dice game. A subcategory is when you break down a category into further sections. So for example here, we have broken our category of animals down into different subsets of animals. So for this game, you will need to choose the subcategory dice for the category that you'd like to work on and the matching pictures that go within your category. Okay, are you ready? So what we're going to do is we're going to roll the dice and it's going to tell us different type of category that an animal can belong to, and we are going to have a race to find an animal that belongs in that category. So if I rolled the dice and I got insects, we'd have to and what did you find?
Possible bee.
The bee. Brilliant, well done. So a bee is an insect, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to see how quickly we can find the animals and we'll count them up at the end and see who the winner is. Okay, so we take turns at rolling the dice. Okay, so you're going to roll the first one. Insect.
Bee.
Bee. You got that, so you keep that one over there. Okay, so it's my turn to roll the dice. Got farm animal.
Giraffe.
A giraffe. Oh. Horse. Oh, do you think I got that one?
No.
I think I
it's
did.
Not too much of a farm animal.
Horse is a farm animal.
I say it's a pet.
It could. So that you said something really important there. Sometimes animals can fit into 2 of the different subcategories. So a horse could be a pet, but it could also live on a farm. So that's okay. Right, your turn to roll the dice. Or a bird.
Turkey.
Oh, that was quick. Well done. I like how quickly you're remembering the names of all these animals. Farm animal.
Goat.
Oh, you were so quick. Right, well done. Pets.
Dog.
Oh, you were too quick for
I
me.
said it before.
You did. You knew it was there. You remembered it. Sea creature. Whale.
Whale.
Are you going to have that
one.
one? Okay, you roll the dice. A pet.
Tortoise.
Oh my goodness, you're so quick. We lost one on the floor. We lost the duck. Okay. Whose turn is it to roll?
I think.
Is it my turn? Farm animal.
Cow.
Oh, you are too quick for me.
Farm.
Rabbit. Okay. Wild animal.
Elephant.
Elephant, well done. Okay. Farm animal. Chicken. A bird.
Peacock.
Brilliant. You remembered the name for that one. Pets.
Guinea pig.
Guinea pig, well done. Sea creature.
Fish.
Birds. Duck. Sea creature.
Lobster.
A lobster, well done. Right, should we have one more go each and we'll count them up? Yeah. Sea creature.
Seal.
Oh, you were way too quick for me. Wild animal.
Cheetah.
Oh, right, let's see. How many did you have?
$13.
13. I only had 4. You were so super at remembering your words and knowing which categories they belong to. That was really good. This activity is called the description matching game. You will need some of the descriptive word cards from the back of the resources section at the back of the pack, and you will need a selection of different category cards. Okay, are you ready? So we are going to have a race. So I have got some different words on here that describe some of my pictures here. And when I turn it over, you've got to be the first person to find something that fits that description, and then you win the card. Okay, you ready? And you get a bonus point if you can think of something else that also fits that description. So are you ready? So my first word is heavy. Let's find something that's heavy.
Watch.
Or a watch.
Hot air.
Oh, heavy. I think hot air balloon still might be quite low. Oh, what have you spotted?
Cargo.
A cargo ship. Okay, so you've...
And an elephant.
Well, I was going to say, you won the cargo ship. Now, can you think of something different that's not in these pictures that is also heavy?
Dumbbells.
Yeah, that's a great answer. So you win the heavy card as well. Okay, are you ready? So, we've got to find something that is spotty.
Broccoli.
Is broccoli? It does look like the broccoli has got spots on, doesn't it?
And strawberry.
Do you know what? I think the strawberry or the
Leopard.
are one of the best answers there, aren't they? Which one are you going to choose?
Broccoli.
I think you should have the leopard because he's spotty. Okay, so can you think of anything else that could be spotty that's not in the pictures here?
Clothes.
You could have spotty clothes, couldn't you? A spotty pair of pyjamas or a spotty t-shirt. Okay, right, I need to be really super quick this time, don't I? I've got something that's light. I'm going to say a tie. I'm going to say a tie is quite a light piece of clothing because you wear it around your neck. Can I think of something else that's light? I'm going to say a feather is also light.
Yellow.
Ooh, something
Lemon. Lime.
That's a lime. Do you know what? I don't think we have anything yellow here. So I think we need to turn...
Yellow.
That one is green. Okay, here we go. Something that's wet.
Whale.
Whale is definitely wet, isn't it? Can you think of something else that is wet that's not in these pictures? Water. Brilliant. Well done. Okay. Something that's blue.
Train.
The train. Brilliant.
And
What else is blue?
and my bubble lamp.
Your bubble lamp is blue. That is brilliant. You thought of 2 things that were blue. Okay. Something that is big.
Car.
Oh, a car is big. Can you think of something else that's big?
My dad.
Your dad is big. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Something that is stripy. Oh, hot air balloon. That's stripy.
Hot air balloon.
Are you going to let me have that one?
No.
You're going to have that one. Well, you can keep it if you can think of something else that might be stripy.
T-shirt.
T-shirt. I was thinking of a zebra as well. A zebra could be stripy too. Okay. Something that is soft.
Guinea pig.
Definitely a guinea pig. Can you think of anything else?
Sizzle.
Your dog, Sizzle, is soft. Okay. Something that is red.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Can you think of anything else that's red?
Red. Red is red.
There's some other foods that are red, aren't they? A strawberry is red.
Pepper.
You can get red peppers, can't you? Yeah, okay, we'll do the last one. Okay. So something that is hard. A watch.
And there's another thing that is hard.
What's that?
Rocks.
Rocks are really hard, aren't they? Right, should we count up and see how many you've got? So I only got 2. You look like you've got quite a lot.
8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
Wow, you had 18 and you were so good at thinking of different things that had different attributes or characteristics. Brilliant, well done. This activity is called What's in the Bag or Box. For this activity, you need either 2 bags or boxes which you are unable to see through, a selection of household items, or you can use pictures. And you may want to use the optional adjective descriptive word charts that you find in the back of your resource pack, which can sometimes help your child to think of different words they could use to describe what's hiding in the box. Okay, are you ready? So what we're going to do is I've got a box with lots of different things in, and then I've got this box which is empty. I'm going to ask you to shut your eyes, and I'm going to choose an item from my full box and hide it in the empty box. And then I'm going to tell you all about it by giving clues to see if you can guess what's hiding in there. Is that okay? Okay, so are you ready? Do you want to shut your eyes? And I'm going to hide something into the box. Okay. Right, are you ready? You can turn around now. Okay, so I've got something in the box, and I'm going to see if I can use any of these words to help me. It's made of metal and it's made of plastic, and it's quite sharp, and you might use it to cut things. What do you want to see? Do you want to take it out and see? Were you right? You were right. Amazing. Right, it's your turn now. So we'll take the scissors out because we've already done the scissors. So I'm going to shut my eyes. You tell me when you're ready and you've hidden your object in the box.
Ready.
You're ready. So can you use as many different words to describe what object is in this box?
It's made of metal.
Brilliant. So it's made of metal.
And plastic.
And plastic. Okay.
It's solid.
It's solid. That's a great word.
Some of it is light, so like a part of it is light and a part of it is dark.
Oh, so it's 2 different shades. Silver.
Shade on part of it.
Can you tell me anything else about it that might not be on these boards?
You can use it for eating.
Oh, okay, you can use it for eating. Can I have a guess?
Yeah.
Is it a fork? No. It's not a fork. Oh, okay. Is there anything else you can tell me?
It's lighter than I'd say it's lighter than a fork.
It's lighter than a fork. You use it for eating. Is it a knife?
No.
It's not a knife. What type of foods do you eat with this thing?
Desserts.
Oh, is it a spoon?
Yeah.
Can I check? Brilliant, well done. You used so many different words there to tell me about the spoon. Okay. We have now come to the end of the resource pack and hope that this demonstration video has provided some helpful advice and guidance. Please refer to the Commtap website for further resources and information.